Well, welcome back to my channel. Well, we've got a delivery. Well, I got a delivery. I think that this may be a pink parcel. It could be the Betty box because I ordered Betty box this month because I got it on a special offer. And yeah, so it could be either one of them, Betty box or pink parcel, but we will see. It's coming in this black wrapper. And pink parcel normally comes in a black wrapper, so yeah, so we're just gonna open it and let's just see. I think it's pink parcel. I think it's pink parcel. Oh. Yes, it is the pink parcel. There we go. So you see, it's pink parcel. Right, okay, so we're just gonna open it like so. Oh, it's already open. Sorry about that, somebody just keeps ringing my phone. So we're just going to open it like so. Now then, pink parcel is like £10 a month and then you pay $3.99 postage and packaging, I think it is. Well, I will leave it in the description box down below. So yes, so we have got loads of leaflets. So this is like, I will read that one later. I'm sure it's going to tell me what's in that box and I don't really want to know. So we open it. So we have got Stop and Inhale Reset 100% natural therapy balms to help stay centered whenever. I hope that they're in that box because I could do with some de-stressing. I love de-stressing oils. So yes, so it's scented, so it's 100% natural aromatherapy balms and candles to help you stay scented wherever. So it's quite relaxing. So hopefully, and as always, you can always get a Hello Fresh in these, and it's £40 off, £20 off first and second boxes. So yeah, so there we go. I don't know if it does have a code. It just says go to hellofresh.co.uk gift card and then you just claim it within 30 days. Simple as, and there we go. Instructions on the back. Right, so we're just going to open the Z box. Talking very French there, the Z box. See? Right, okay, so I ordered pads, and pads is what I get. Right, so we're gonna go into this little bag, as usual. This is like just a nice little bag, and it's filled full of pads, and you just throw it in your handbag, and you never ever run out of pads, because there's nothing worse, is there? When you're stuck in a queue, in like Asda or Tesco's or wherever you go shopping and you just need to go to the toilet, right? Oh, sorry, and your period starts, you just need to do that, don't you? So yeah, always carry them, always in my bag, and never can go wrong. Right, okay, so we're just going to put them there. Then we're just going to go. This is the one for the night time, which is, see it, for night. So yeah, so you get a more absorbent pad for night time because you need it, and because you're in bed 8 hours, I suppose. Because you say it's just the normal body form ones that I get for night time, and they just go in my box here. And this is like the for later one. Pads again. Wait, maybe you don't really want to see them, but I'll show you them anyway. But they're just pads, you see, and you get good ones. You get a good variety of pads. That's why it's always worthwhile getting pink parcel. It's just because you just already have your pads. You never have to run to the shop. They're just always in, and that's why I like pink parcel. These period boxes, like, are really good for that. And so now we have got the all interesting, everybody wants this box. it's like, it's just what I look forward to every month. It is this. It's the For You box. It's like, oh, it's the holy grail of subscription boxes, is this. This one is. So it's like heaven. If you look forward to that sort of thing, it's like a little piece of heaven, and it's just a little something for you to look forward to. It's like, oh, what is in there? Wow. Ooh, we have got the double chocolate chip highly scented wax melt. I'm pleased it said wax melt, because these is really good. I have a wax melt machine, and these like really safe, because I do have a disabled person and he knocks things. So if I have candles, which I do love candles by the way, but sometimes he will knock them over, or he fills them to the brim with Coke pop. He just fills them up, so it's a bit of a nightmare. So I use a wax melt machine, and I'm going to actually open this and just see what the scent is. Oh, it smells like chocolate. It does have a nice smell of chocolate. So yeah, so that is it. And I see one product in here that I really do like. Oh, look at that. That is gorgeous. Look at the colour. That is really gorgeous. I'm going to have to try this. Pink Parcel, you have done your very best again this month. You are fantastic. And again, I am going to struggle with box is because they just never ever seem to open nicely for me. They always like, oh, let's just give Joanne a little bit more struggle time. Let's just do it. But this is also cruelty free. I don't know if you see it there. It's cruelty free. And I've had to Rex the box to get the product out. And I'm going to show you it. So yeah, so that is it. It's gorgeous, like pinks and browns, and my gosh, it's really like a pretty colour. You see it? Now I'm just going to pop a bit on my cheek. Ooh, that looks a bit like... It is, you don't need a great lot of it, but it's really nice coloured. It doesn't have much of a scent. It's really pretty coloured though. So I like that. Oh, we got a green tea primer. That's my third one. This is okay, pretty good. I am not going to ditch it, and it's just really good value that Pink Parcel's put this in the box. This again is cruelty free, so there we go. And probably we're going to get a tea product just now. Oh, this is the scented de-stressing. Oh, I love these type of things. They're so like what I carry around in my pocket, just if I want just a few seconds just to put something on, just to make me de-stress. It's like really, really nice. So this is a travel-friendly aromatherapy balm to help you stay scented wherever, whenever. It works this as well. If you like suffer with stress, anxiety, or any of them, or you have a stressful life like I do, pop this in your pocket, or pop it in your handbag, and this will just de-stress you. Now you just put it on your temples, like so, and it just takes away. It's so relaxing. I have about a few of these. I buy them in Boots. Quite a few times I've bought these in Boots. Oh, it's like so nice and relaxing. It's like I just love these, and that is they're really good. So I can't go on about them enough. They work. So yeah, so that is it for that. Right, now have we got our tea product? Yes, we got a tea product. Do you see it? It's like a grapefruit tea. There we go. And this is by Yo-Yo Zebra Zing Organic Yerba Mate. What? What the heck is yerba mate? I don't know. No, I don't know what yerba mate is. Yerba mate with grapefruit and rosehip. We shall have to see if that is any good, because if it's good, well, I will put it in. I will say it's good, because when I do my review at the end of the month for these boxes, that's going to be on it, if it's good. Right, okay, so then we got the Dozy Dam. Why did I say Dozy Dum? I don't know. Dozy Dam. It's a maple toasted rice and pink salt. Ooh, never had pink salt. Well, that could be one to try. Very, very interesting. But I don't like dark chocolate. I like milk chocolate. I like all the bad stuff. That is my weakness. Milk chocolate. Milk chocolate pink parcel. What happened there? Something went wrong. So we're trying out the Dozy Dam chocolate. It is not my cup of tea. Not at all. It's because it's dark chocolate. It's just the wrong type of chocolate for me. I prefer milk. So then we have got this, which is a Manuka Honey Hydrating Moisturizing. This is a moisturizing face mask from Korea. Now, I love Korean face masks. They seem to be the best. And that is that. Right, okay, so that's my daughter come back in. Probably. And we've come to the end of this pink parcel box. So if you like this video, thumbs up, like, share, please subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you all in my next video. Bye bye.